Greetings, world adventurers, and welcome to the thrilling world of anonymous adventures. Our mission is to illuminate the most exhilarating, far-flung corners of our planet. Today, we have a treat for all you thrill seekers out there as we explore the majestic Yosemite National Park. Yosemite National Park, an adventurer's paradise, nestled in the heart of California. This treasure trove of nature spans nearly 1,200 square miles, making it larger than some small countries. It's a place where granite cliffs kiss the sky, where waterfalls tumble from dizzying heights, and where giant sequoias reach for the stars. Yosemite is so much more than just a park. It's a testament to the raw, unbridled beauty of our planet. For adventure seekers, it's a playground that offers everything from rock climbing to whitewater rafting, from hiking to stargazing. This park, steeped in natural beauty, is not just a hotspot for adrenaline junkies, but also for those who seek tranquility amidst nature. The breathtaking vistas, the whispering pines, the gushing waterfalls, they all tell a tale of nature's grandeur. Now let's dive into the heart of the adventure and explore some must-visit spots in Yosemite. When you step foot in Yosemite, you step into a world of endless adventure. Our first stop is the grand and awe-inspiring El Capitan. This vertical rock formation stretches over 3,000 feet above the Yosemite Valley floor. It's a popular destination for rock climbers from around the globe, lured by the thrill of conquering its sheer granite face. But don't worry, if you're not up for the climb, the views from the ground are just as breathtaking. Next, we journey to Half Dome, another iconic symbol of Yosemite. This unique formation, with its sheer face and rounded top, offers a challenging but rewarding hike. The last 400 feet requires scaling a steep granite slope, but once you reach the top, you're rewarded with panoramic views of the park that are simply unparalleled. Our final stop is Mariposa Grove, home to over 500 mature giant sequoias. Walking amongst these towering ancient trees is an adventure in itself. They're a living testament to the enduring might of nature, some of them over 3,000 years old. These are just some of the adventurous spots to visit in Yosemite National Park, but there's so much more to explore. Each trail, each view, each breathtaking wonder is a new adventure waiting to be discovered. These are just a few of the countless wonders waiting for you in Yosemite National Park. With its breathtaking landscapes and thrilling adventures, Yosemite National Park should be on every adventurer's bucket list. There's no place like it for adventure seekers. If you enjoyed this adventure, give us a thumbs up. Share this video with your fellow adventurers, and don't forget to comment your favorite part. Subscribe to Anonymous Adventures for more thrilling journeys. Until next time, keep exploring.